In this video, I'll be replacing the O-rings on the power steering pump. That's the part number if you want to snap a picture. These are the O-rings. Already removed. One of the ones is a 10mm. And then this 2 tens. Take these off. Alright. This one right here was removed. It's right here. This is the old one. Because it was like flat. The new one is like rounded. That's why it's leaking. Flat out. This one is a new one. It's rounded. So for the top one, I used a flathead screwdriver and I kind of like squeeze to the sides and then put the flathead in there enough to like pull this one out. This is the other one. It sounds like flying. And the replacement is ready. Alright, so there it goes, so no one's in. It's in here. Snug it down. And then, oh, sorry, I only got my hand, so goes to 10 millimeters. Okay, so all the way down with your hands. And I'm gonna look up for my torque wrench for the torque specs, and I'll be back in a second. All right, when you torque these, it's 8 foot-pounds. Just be careful, because I was like kind of cranking it too much. You just gotta hear a little click depending on what torque wrench you have. But mine's a little, so it's a little click. Torque them, but so you see like how sensitive this is. Like, that's it. 8 foot-pounds, and then this one. That's it. And that's how you replace the O-rings on the power steering pump on a 2008